welcome to another question and answer session. This is the physiology portion of MRCS. Which statement regarding the peristalsis is true? So the peristalsis, it is the movement of the intestine. We have to know about the two options regarding the peristalsis. Here the options: longitudinal smooth muscle propels the food bolus through the esophagus. Secondary peristalsis occurs when there is no food in the esophagus. Food transfer from the esophagus to the stomach is 4 seconds. Circular smooth muscle not involved in the peristalsis. Peristalsis only occur in the esophagus. So first of all, let's say the peristalsis. It is the peristalsis. Circular smooth muscle contract behind the food bolus. So circular smooth muscle, as it contracts, the food bolus goes forward. Longitudinal smooth muscle propels the food through the esophagus. Primary peristalsis spontaneously move food from the esophagus to stomach. It takes 9 seconds, so almost 10 seconds. Food goes from the esophagus to the stomach. Secondary peristalsis occurs when there is food which doesn't enter the stomach. So secondary peristalsis occurs when there is food, because if there is no food, then what require the peristalsis? In a small intestine, is peristalsis wave slows to a few seconds and causes mixture of the chyme. So here we can see this is the contraction of the intestine, and it is the forward movement of the food bolus. Also here we can see this is the chyme going from one segment to another segment. So what is true? The longitudinal smooth muscle, it propels the food bolus through the esophagus. It is true. But other option here, such as the secondary peristalsis, occurs when there is no food. If there is no food, then what require of contraction? Food transfer from esophagus to stomach, it is 4 seconds. It is also not true, because it is 9 seconds. Circular smooth muscle is not involved in the peristalsis. It is not true, because circular and longitudinal, both smooth muscle are required for the peristalsis. Peristalsis only occurs in the esophagus. It is false option, because peristalsis occurs the whole of the GIT.